let's hope that this is the final episode. So this is part 8, and I'm heading out to Drew's to, God, I've been saying that a lot lately. I'm heading out to Drew's to do the last fabrication job basically, which is just to make up the front brush bars. After that, I only have a few odd jobs to do. So brush bars, and then got a bit of 12 volt to do in the center console to get power back to my lockers and my rock lights, and then 24 volt to the winch, and then it's totally finished and ready for the trip. So it's a weeknight tonight. I got off work. I couldn't stop thinking about how I was going to do the brush bars. Thought I'd come out and try and do at least one of them, just so I know how they're going to work. We'll get to Drew's and make a start on them. I love driving this car. So I'm just doing one of the brush bars now. I think I'm going to bend it to like 70 degrees. Now's the fun part of bashing the die off. So I had a mark at 400, that's for the front of the wheel arch. And then I've got another mark at 1150, which is going to be the back of the wheel arch. And that's 70. I used to struggle to get these on the same plane, but that's pretty good. Gotten a bit better at tube since I've been doing this, that's for sure. Just trying to think how I can mock this up, because the thing that really gets me with tube is if I'm holding it up there to there, the whole thing actually needs to be longer to make it from the outside of this to the outside of that. So as soon as you take anything off this, you're actually shortening the path that it needs to take as well. And so I think I need to get this end sitting where I want it before I can know how much I need to bend the back down here for it to kick back into this. So I think I'll do that. I think I'll try and get it sitting up on something, and then I can work out my cut here, the angle of the notch, and then I can work out what needs to happen at the back. Well, I kind of fell into the trap of getting on a roll and not filming again, but this is what I've got so far. I think I'm happy with it. I maybe wish it was a little bit higher, but yeah, I don't know. Fuck it, I think I'm gonna tack it there, to be honest. I'll give you a look at it. It could probably be a little bit higher, but yeah, I don't know. I think I'll rate it. So I'm just working on the second one now. So the first thing I do is get a line up with a piece of angle, and then you don't have to do this, but I usually do it where the seam is, just so when I'm notching and everything, I have an internal reference and an external reference. And then with that one, I did a mark at 400, and then we're ready to bend it up. And then the basic goal is to get my 400 mark lined up with the die, and then the reference mark across the top pointing straight up at the rollers. And I hope I can get a full 70-degree bend without that touching the ground, otherwise I'm gonna have to shorten it, but we'll see how we go.
Yeah, time's close, I whittled them down. Stick it to them by sticking around. A gang online, Iwo Jima got one flag and it's sticking the ground. Setting up shop, think I got the message across. Came for the titles, impressed with the watch. We play at the levels of Letterman jocks. rims on the jacket, the man's abundant. The point of the road was being and rugged. Hushing, I'm applying no pants in London. The products are not being scared of some judgment. Gotta stay in the cut you off if you ain't making the cut. Couldn't tell you who the hell is behind us. You start to forget when you stay in front of us up. And it's up for grabs, no remorse of who I'm taking it from. Numbers I give on my scoreboard is the only form of us staying in touch, that's staying enough. It's time to receive for all of the favors I've done. Too late for y'all to switch teams, everybody getting big leagues. Time's close, I whittled them down. Sticking to them by sticking around. The gang online, Iwo Jima got one flag and it's sticking the ground. Setting up shop. Think I got the message across. Came for the titles, impressive to watch. We played the levels of Letterman Josh.
That's 2 for 2 on the same plane. Thank fuck for that. So I finished bending up the other one. I kind of screwed up real bad, and so I stopped filming because I had to like think how I was going to fix it. Like, so I did both bends, and then I notched out the front of it so I could sit down on the bar so I could get a mark on where I needed to do the bend back into the slider. And after I did the mark, I wasn't thinking, and I sort of cut straight through it. And then I didn't have enough green on the end of this in order for it to reach the roller while I was trying to do the last bend. And so, dead set, I butted them up together like that, and then clamped a piece of angle iron to it so it was perfect. And then did a really good weld all around it, sanded it back so it was seamless, and then put it back in the bender, bent it, and then cut it again. But it worked. So now we've got 2 identical brush bars, and I'm just waiting for them to dry, and then I'll tack them on. And in the meantime, I've just cleaned up the tips of the bar and the tips of the rock sliders, because that's where they're gonna go to. I am also thinking about adding a piece that will copy this up a little bit higher. So the brush bar will come from here, and then it'll have this piece and then another piece going to it. I'll pick it back up when I am mounting these. So there they are. They've had a rough coat of paint and they're just tacked there for the time being. I just ran out of storage on my camera, so I don't know how much that recorded, but I'll show you that's all welded up now. That is a proper dog. Trying to weld around those little areas while trying to keep it neat and not flick like weld slag all over the paint as well. But yeah, they're done. The ugly welds are like between the bar and the panel too, so at least they're neat on the outside where you can see. But yeah, they're all welded on. Let's check it out.
Strives take me bi-weekly, the time you keep taking it further. You aren't finished and I gotta listen. Ain't son of believing and see that I'm actually breathing and doing it real time. Love to pull an idea out thin there, act on it and profit in real life. If we not aligned, don't present me a dotted line. Yeah, I'm a QB, but I ain't handing on nothing for someone to monetize, and it goes to the...
So the brush bars are all welded on. I'm just mucking around with this bit here. I've sent a picture of it to a couple of mates. Still don't know whether I like it yet, or whether the front end here needs to come down a bit. But I'm gonna start bending another one up. You've seen a couple of bends in this video, so I'm not gonna take any more videos of that, but I'm gonna try and make another one. And if I can get another one looking the same, then I'll just send it. Or if I end up making something that looks completely different, then maybe I'll go with that. Who knows? But pretty much the last piece for the front. It'll add a shitload of strength too, because this comes up on that angle, and at the back too comes up on an outward angle. It could still fold towards the car if I hit it hard enough, whereas this is going to give it a bit of lateral strength. So I'll bend this other piece up and we'll see what we end up with. I bent it up, but it's 20 past 10 and I've got to work tomorrow, so I'll pick this back up on Saturday, I think, and we'll go from there. So it's the next weekend and I'm just here finishing off the last 2 bar pieces from the front bar to the brush bar. So I'll weld them up now. I've done heaps of welding already, so I won't show you that, but I'll show what they look like after. All right, well that's it. I ended up remaking these 2 pieces here just so that they follow that line properly there. They're both done now. So I'll get it out of the shed. I'll clean them up a bit, give them a lick of paint. We'll see what it looks like. Chop's finally done, car's finished. Had an awesome day at the beach, ripping around again in this. I've missed it so much. It's the biggest job I've ever done on this car. Even before the chop, I mean, I've done, you know, lockers, GU diffs, reduction gears, put new motors in, but this chop has definitely been the most intense thing I've ever done. And that brings me to having somewhere to do it, which was Drew's house. Being able to use his shed every weekend, crashing in his spare room every weekend, use all the stuff he's got there. So I want to say a huge thanks to him and his family, and not just him, all my friends really. Like, everyone's had a hand in this. All of my closest friends have had a hand in this, whether it's just physically providing help or even just support. I also want to thank everyone who's followed along and watched this series. I really, really appreciate it. All the comments that got left, all the suggestions and new subscribers. It's kept me motivated to keep on posting videos. And then there's obviously the companies that helped out. And so yeah, suffice to say, thanks everyone who was involved. The videos aren't going to stop. It's just that I'm calling this chop series done. Keep following them. We'll keep doing cool stuff. Cheers.
I've been on the road, I've been doing shows. Now we eating steak, remember sleeping on the floor. Stealing at the gas station when the time was cold. In the kitchen hostage trying to flip it up the stove. Rocking fake J's, praying that nobody knows. Watching take my dog away was way too hard to stay composed. Fight to see the light of day, all this blood on my clothes. I was tired every day, green light, it's time to go. I don't wanna live life fast, to die too young. Die too young. 100 miles per hour, I might crash, cause the good die young. Yeah, the good die young. Push it to the limit, I can't go no more. Red light, no way, I'm coming back home. Long dirt road, all on my own. I'ma be the greatest, write my name in the stone. Write my name in the stone. Yeah, I'm coming back home. Yeah, I'm coming back home. Write my name in the stone. Cause I'm coming back home. Cause I'm coming back home. Right back where I left because I know my people needed me. Diamond in the rough,
I don't know what it is they see in me. Go down as a legend in my city, cause we beat the streets. Trying to spread the wealth around the block, no, I can't keep from me. Told me I should leave. I see the bigger picture and it's way bigger than me. Can't be living like a king, but my people need to eat. If I got it, then you got it, we gon' get back on our feet. And I put it on me. I don't wanna live life fast and die too young. Die too young. 100 miles per hour might crash, cause good die young. But here I come. Push it to the limit, I can't go no more. Red light, nowhere, I'm coming back home. Long dirt road all on my own. I'ma be the greatest, write my name in the stone. Write my name